So today I'm going to show you how to make amazing video edits. You could share on Instagram, you could share on Twitter, you could share on Snapchat, Musically, or wherever else you want to share it, or just share it to your friends. So I'm going to show you how to do that on your smartphone. There are many apps that you can use today to do amazing edits. I'm going to be using an Android phone, which I have, a Samsung Galaxy. You can basically use any regular smartphone. And there are also many different apps that you can use. I searched through a few and I found one does a really good job to what people would want, that you could do similar edits like people have today. So there's one I wanted to focus on is the InShot video editor music cut, no crop. So you go to Play Store, you install it, and that's the first step. Once installed, you will open the app. And in this app, right away coming to it, I said, oh, this is great because I don't have to sign in or anything. There are other apps that make you sign up, sign in. This is just a simple, straight out of the box app. You start using it right away. To open up the InShot app, create a new video. First, we'll choose one video. I want to get it over here in the beginning, but you can move this around. And you could just choose, where you want, exactly what spot on the video you want to get. And you could preview it, you could play it. So you can see exactly what you're importing into your timeline. For this video, I want the beginning. So I'm going to bring this all the way back to the beginning. And I'm going to click the check button. I'm just going to preview it once more. So now I have my first clip. Now I want to add another clip. So I click the green plus button over here. And I go through my videos. And I choose another clip. I'll choose this clip. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim it. And while I'm moving this, you could see it's showing me where the video moves together. I could see where it's up to. So here this woman's about to jump. And I stop it right when she's about to jump, and I'm gonna let it go. And I like that selection. I'll click the check button, and you see it adds it to my timeline. So I have these two videos in timeline. The next thing you do is you want to add filters. So just go ahead and click on filters. Now this app, it divides the filters into three different sections. First is you have filter, effect, and adjust. So the first one, filters, basically gives you certain already pre-made color temperatures, different types of feels for the video that it was during the day, so I want bright. The next thing is click effect. Now this is what makes your video stand out, makes it different, makes it a little interesting. So you could have a glitch effect, you could have a flip effect, a mirror effect, you could have mosaic effect, you could have neon effect, and there are other effects you could purchase. I'm gonna stick with the flip effect. And the third type of filter is adjust. And adjust is you could change specifics of the color of the video how you want it. You could change how light you want it, the contrast, warm. You could change saturation. So once you played around with these effects, these filters, what you do is you click the check button and then you go on to your next video. Make sure you click on your next video, click filter, and then go through these three different filters, and when you're happy with the way it looks, click the check button. The next thing to do, they have over here, you could add music. So you could search for any music you want. They have over here, and you click on the music that you want, you click use, and it adds the music into your video. You could choose the volume of the actual video. You could choose the volume of the music. So you may want the music to be lower. If you want to remove the whole video volume, just move that over to the end, and all you have is the music volume, and you play around with that and click OK. The next thing they have here, you could speed up your video if you want. You could crop the video if you would like to. You could even add stickers onto your video. You can add emojis. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. You also choose where the emoji should start, where it should end. You could add text. You could rotate the video. You could flip the video the opposite direction. When you've finished all adding the effects and the filters and music and everything, you go ahead and you click the save button on top. You choose the quality that you want it. Usually if you're gonna put it to Instagram, you're not gonna need a great quality, so I'm just gonna choose the 720p. It's gonna give you an advertisement over here right before you're ready to save it. It's gonna convert your video. You click save, and it saves your video to the phone storage. And you could go to your phone storage, phone's gallery, wherever you have your videos, click on it and you could share it wherever you want to share. Once you know how to use one app, you can basically use all the other apps because they're all the same. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please hit that like button. Comment if you have any questions or if you want me to do a video on a specific app, any app in the world. Do anything else you do here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.